Now in small streams, overhead casts are really the less likely cast you want. You must learn a proper roll cast, and all you need to do when roll casting is draw the line up slowly and get the line behind your ear, and all you do is a front cast after that, and it'll roll right out, and anywhere you point your rod tip, that's where the line's going to go. So you can actually be quite accurate with a roll cast just by pointing the rod tip to where you want it to go. Oh yes, and it worked, and this seems like a fairly decent little fish. You know, it's like I say, small streams, it's not so much that you're catching big fish, but this is a decent fish. Wet my net, bring them up, and there we go. This isn't a bad little small stream trout. And it's almost a do-nothing type of presentation. You just allow it to swing in the current, let the current do the work for you. As you can see, nothing big, but I'll tell you, I'll catch these all day. They give you all the excitement you need on a little 2 or a little 3 weight rod. And all I did, again, casting down and allowing it to swing across, and right at the end of that fallen tree, that's where I took that fish, and I got the first hit earlier just before the camera came on. I had a hit there, so I put it right back again, and he took it that time. Pretty good. I can do that all day.